In this video, I take you through how a remote control ADASIC water heater works and some of the other functionalities that are involved in the plumbing system. In ourselves here, we have a mixer lever that can change into any bowl that you want. When you turn on the water on the left, you'll be turning the hot water on. When you turn water on the left side, the lever on the right side, you'll be turning the cold water. And when you turn on the lever in the middle, you'll be turning both the hot and cold water mixer on. In the bowls of the sink comes with some strainers that are used to trap food residues that are there when you're washing your utensils, that can flow into the bottle trap and cause some blockages. Under the sink, where you have the cabinets, is where we can be able to see a combined bottle trap that I've already installed, where this side of the bowl just flows into the other side of the bottle trap, which has a P trap, and the others, and we have an outlet that flows into the manhole on the inspection chamber through the piping system into the sewer line or into the soak pit. On the right side, where we have an angle valve that turns on the cold water, because in this building we have done both the hot and cold water. On the left side, we have an angle valve which usually turns on the hot water. When you have both the system, you are on the right side, you do the both system piping system. The cold water flows on the right side while the hot water is on the left side. That's according to the standard. But at the moment, we don't have the heating system all over the house, so we have to install another ADASIC water heater to get hot water for the kitchen. The water that is flowing on the right side is cold. From the side of the left side will flow into the sink, then the ADASIC water heater, then the outlet will flow through the left side into the mixer lever. Up there, we have fixed a switch. The electrician has already fixed a switch, so I just turn on the switch to turn the power on, and it has indication that let's say, and when I come down you can be able to see some light indication in my ADASIC water heater that is showing, but has no indication of any temperature changes because I've not turned on the water. So I just go up, turn the water on the left side, which will turn the hot water on. And when you come down the sink, you can be able to see the temperature adjusting slowly to where I fixed it to 50 degrees Celsius. So the temperature adjusts itself according to the water pressure up to 50 degrees Celsius. I just have some issues with the water pressure, but I'll check on. But if you feel the water, you can be able to feel the warmth of the water. I don't know if you can be able to see the steam coming out of the water through the camera. I don't know if the camera can be able to capture that. But already the water that is coming out or flowing through the mixer tap is hot water with a temperature of 15 degrees Celsius. You can adjust it manually, or you can adjust it using a remote that comes with it. The remote can be mounted on the wall anywhere accessible in your kitchen. You can mount it on the wall anywhere accessible, and the remote has the indication of power on, turn on, to increase and decrease, just controlled through using the normal remote batteries, where you can just open your shelves under the sink and just control it to the temperature that you want. You can be able also to see in the other sink has a finger sensor where you can manually adjust